Hi guys, welcome back to Fly High Balloons Creations. Welcome everyone. I'd like to take the time to thank all of our existing subscribers, new subscribers, and viewers for watching our videos, commenting, subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos. We really appreciate the support. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, I will show you how to make this incredible game-themed freestanding balloon garland using a lamp stand. It's perfect for birthday parties, gaming events, or any fun celebration. Let's get started. Materials needed are balloons in game-themed colors, brand of your choice. Brands I am using are Celtex, Bevel, Rubfax, a brand that I purchased on Amazon, Standard Lime Green, 5-inch, 12-inch, 17-inch, Standard Black, 5-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch, Standard Dark Blue, 5-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch, and Metallic Silver, 5-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch. A lamp stand, preferably adjustable height. I am using one of my lamp stands that I purchased from Walmart. It has a sturdy base and 5 of these poles. I am using all 5 of them plus an additional one from one of my other lamp stands to make it taller. If you would like for your garland to be taller, purchase 2 of these lamp stands. A balloon pump, manual or electrical. I highly recommend an electrical to save lots of time and breath. Game theme accents. I am adding these super cool game controller foil balloons to the garland. Rubber bands for attaching your large and small cords. I made these rubber bands using 260Q balloons. Let me show you how. Take your 260s and tie both of their ends together into a double knot. Regular rubber bands for attaching mini cords to fill in any gaps in the garland. And last but not least, tape for attaching your 260Q balloons onto your foil balloons. Now let's inflate balloons to form 2 types of cords to build the garland. Let's first start by inflating one 12-inch balloon and one 18-inch balloon. Round them and tie them together into a duplet. See how the balloons have these coney shapes? Press down on them and slowly release the air to get that nice round shape. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other, pull tight against each other, wrap around twice, and tie a simple knot, forming a duplet. We will do the same with 2 12-inch balloons, forming another duplet. Next, take both duplets, bring them together. Take one small balloon from each, twist them together, forming a large cord of 4 balloons. Now let's do the same with 4 12-inch balloons, forming a small cord of 4 balloons. Repeat the steps with 4 5-inch balloons, forming a mini cord. We will repeat the process with the other color balloons, forming large cords, small cords, and mini cords until we have enough to build the garland. Let's inflate the foil balloon and attach the 260s onto it. I used the hand pump to inflate the foil balloon, making sure not to overinflate it to prevent popping. To attach the 260 onto the neck of the foil balloon, take the 260 and place it across the very end of the valve. Roll the balloon up around the 260 all the way up until it touches the base of the balloon, and tie the 260 into a double knot. To attach the 260 onto the foil balloon, place a 260 on the back of it horizontal, then place a strip of tape horizontal onto the 260, secure it with 2 vertical strips of tape on the opposite side, and tie both ends of the 260 together into a double or triple knot. Let's set up the lampstand. To adjust the lampstand to your desired height, take your first pole, screw it onto the base, and screw all the others onto each other. I highly recommend using weight plates or any other type of weights for extra stability. I place a balloon on top of the pole to prevent the top balloons from popping, and it also helps secure the balloons onto the pole. Now let's attach balloons onto the stand. Starting with the large cord, slide it onto the pole between 2 of the balloons. Twist them around each other, locking them into place, and gently press down on the balloons, but not pressing all the way down to the base or floor. This will prevent the stand from lifting up when covered with balloons. Next, grab your small cord, slide and lock it onto the pole and gently press down. We are going to repeat the process, alternating colors and size for a balanced design. For the last cord, I tied the neck of it to one of the cords below it to hold it into place. To extend the garland a little on the side and make a curve at the top of the garland, I tied the necks together of 2 small cords forming a cluster and tied one of the cluster necks to one of the necks in the garland top cord. Now that the structure is built, let's fill it out with large and small cords. Loop the rubber bands around 1 or 2 balloons in the cords. I first started at the base to give it volume. I attached 3 large black cords, 1 on each side and 1 in the front. I then attached 2 large silver cords, 1 on each side and 1 small cord in the front. And I worked my way up the stand, attaching small cords where I saw fit and ensuring everything were even out. Here, the stand started to lean, so I placed the stand in my desired location. Tips for success. If you are building a garland with 150 balloons on the stand, place it in your desired location before building your garland. I highly recommend using a heavy-duty backdrop stand, pole, and base if you are building your garland with over 150 balloons. Test the stability of your lamp stand before attaching the garland. Keep the design cohesive by sticking to your chosen theme and color palette. Last but not least, store extra balloons in case you need replacements during setup. What you see me doing here is just wrapping a small quad into the cluster. Let's add our game theme accents to the garland. For the top game foil balloon, I tied both ends of the 260, creating a rubber band, and looped it around 2 balloons in the cluster. To attach the second game foil balloon, I looped the rubber band on the back of it around one of the black balloons in the cluster and tied the ends of the 260 around 2 of the green balloons in the cluster. Now let's attach our mini quads to the garland to fill in any gaps and to make the garland look full and polished. Step back and check your work. Adjust any placement of balloons for a balanced and full appearance. And there you have it, a stunning game-themed freestanding balloon garland made with a simple lamp stand. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative DIYs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!